Mga pasikat.
Tagal naman.
Tagal pa na ito mag-peak. Parang tanga. Well, sana magkarina dyan eh.
Magkahawak ng mga kamay.
Oh my God! Wow! Ano ang senyo? Natamimi kayo, ano?
Hindi nanalo si Cecilian sa Mythic Skin. Dapat si
Bakit?
Cecilian. Si Clad ata nanalo. Nakalimutan ko sino. Sa may vote, kineme. Dapat si Cecilian.
Meron pala yun. Akala ko. Pinipindot lang yun.
Binovote yun. Kung kaninong skin.
Welcome to Mobile Legends!
Ay, nakatulad nung kay Clint.
Hindi ko makita.
Seconds till the enemy
Nabili ko yan
reaches
eh.
the battlefield. Smash
Ay, di
them!
mayaman ka pala.
All troops
Hindi, sa ano lang yan, sa Mythic Coins. Nabibili.
Shall we begin their final requiem? Hate
MM
lengthy
Party, ang
pieces.
puta utot nyo.
You have slain an enemy! An enemy has been slain!
Nice one.
You have slain an enemy!
The curtain falls. Their eternal repose.
Grabe naman magkasama itong palaging dalawa ko.
Killing spree!
Else.
Asma.
Yes. Ay, may ano? Yan.
Kill!
Ay, lumabas sa torre.
Vibrato of your soul was a symphony of doom.
Patayin dyan, mga bes.
Crescendo! Your death is music to my ears.
An enemy has been slain!
Staccato! Crescendo! The symphony of doom.
Monster kill!
Ay, go.
Curtain falls.
Wait.
Walang damage yun.
Another
Third.
death for them.
Para ma-end agad. Pak na yan.
I never miss. Staccato! Staccato!
May SS yung core nila, ah. Baka may SS-an kayo.
Staccato! Your death is music to my ears.
Ally has slain Lord!
Let's make this quick. I hate lengthy pieces.
Wait, Lord, para end. Yung boto.
Tuned to perfection.
At sa bot nagdaan.
Mas lamang yung ano, bawas ng bot.
Locked and loaded.
Team destroyed the turret! Legendary!
Crescendo!
Enemy has been slain! Double kill!
Symphony of doom. Crescendo! Symphony of doom.
Your team destroyed a turret!
Cancer pa.
Victor!